Hello, mental helpers. Does your weekend sometimes feel like regular work days? Instead of feeling refreshed, when Monday comes around, you often feel like you never really had a break. Well, today we are going to look at 7 activities that may be sabotaging your weekend. Number 1, bringing work home. Bringing work home on a regular basis is one of the major activities that can sabotage your weekend. The pressure to meet deadlines or get ahead on tasks disrupts the opportunity to relax and recharge. If possible, do not let this be a regular part of your weekend activity. Time must be spent rejuvenating your mind and body to be productive for the coming week. Number 2, spending excessive time on social media. Excessive time on social media, especially when comparing yourself to others, can increase stress levels. Constantly checking feeds and engaging in online debates or drama can lead to feelings of anxiety and inadequacy. Make a few hours phone-free and use the time to detach, unwind, and recharge for the upcoming week. Number 3, running errands. Juggling multiple errands such as grocery shopping, cleaning, or taking care of household tasks can be overwhelming, especially if they pile up over the week. This can make weekends feel more like work days. Try scheduling some of these tasks throughout the week when possible. Number 4, overcommitting to social events. Packing the weekend with too many social events or obligations can lead to stress, especially if you're not giving yourself enough downtime. The pressure to attend events, even when you're exhausted, can drain your energy. Be highly selective in what you attend. Go because you want to, but never out of obligation. Number 5, traveling or weekend getaways. While travel can be enjoyable, the process of planning, packing, and dealing with transportation can be stressful, especially for short weekend trips. The time constraints can make it hard to fully relax and enjoy the experience. If weekend outings are affecting your weekly performance at work, try committing to 1 or 2 outings per month to give enough between time for recovery. Number 6, family obligations. Family gatherings or responsibilities such as attending barbecues or taking care of family members can be stressful, especially if there are unresolved issues or tensions. The pressure to meet family expectations can add to stress. Try getting help from relatives or friends when possible if you care for a family member, and avoid contentious family gatherings so you don't get overwhelmed. And number 7, household repairs or DIY projects. Tackling home improvement projects over the weekend can be stressful, especially if things don't go as planned or take longer than expected. The pressure to complete tasks before the work week begins can add to the stress. Get professional help to do repairs and other projects around the house. This will allow more time for fun and family. If you know of other activities that eliminates your downtime on the weekend, please share them in the comments. Thanks for watching.